paper out.
Well, fast can find the paper.
That's from Uncle Jonathan.
What movie did you get?
Who's on the front of it?
It is.
Huh?
No, that's not what it's supposed to be.
Well, where's that?
Do y'all have that movie?
That movie? No. Is it First Class?
Yeah. What you do now?
No.
That's not what you're supposed to have. No.
Serenity, you want to open another one?
Well, we're trying to be discreet. No. He's videoing. That's from me.
What movie is that? That's for me.
There you go. You like that one better, don't you?
You like VeggieTales better?
Here you go.
Here you go.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
VeggieTales, VeggieTales, broccoli, celery, cabbage,
You will come open something else?
You gonna come open some more presents?
cauliflower, sweet sour, half an hour.
Because every time we go to Walmart and we go through the produce department, she starts talking about the different, naming off the different produce.
It's time.
Not the tomatoes. She says what their names are.
Serenity, come here and open your next present.
Come open another one. Which one you want to open?
Another VeggieTales.
What's in there? What is that?
I have Sonora, Snowy, and Tiana.
And look.
I can there you go. Can you open it, please?
Well, do you want to open this? Want to see what's inside there? See what's inside this one while I open your princesses.
Okay.
That one's from Mama and Daddy.
Oh, wee.
I can play music.
What is that?
I can play music.
What is it?
Guitar.
You
Who's
got
on
a
it?
guitar.
Who's on the guitar?
Mary. I can have lots of princesses.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, what's this?
What's her name?
Snow White.
What's her name?
What's that?
Ariel.
Ariel.
What's her name?
Cinderella. Your heart lives.
What's her name?
What's that?
Aurora.
Aurora.
What's her name?
Easier for her to remember that one because she's got that Pez.
What's her name?
Tiana.
Tiana.
Surprised she knows that one. I don't know that one. That movie was creepy.
Are you
And what's her
videoing?
name?
What's that?
What's her name?
I think
Rapunzel.
It's like she didn't want to say it in case she jinxed it.
Where's Leia?
I don't have one of those.
Why not?
We need to write them and tell them they need to add a Leia. They'd probably have to do a Padma too.
So why not?
This one's a boy. This is Aladdin. He's a prince.
What's that one?
Her name is Jasmine.
Jasmine.
If I can get her out.
She's sitting there waiting patiently for you.
Princess can sing. I wish your heart. What's that?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Jasmine.
That's all of them.
Yep.
You want your guitar opened?
So Randy, you want to play with your guitar?
Nope, she's playing with princesses right now.
Okay, well.